Hello everyone, welcome back to EngVlog, and today we are going to learn how to respond to the question, how are you? That means when someone asks you, how are you? Then what should you say? Well, sometimes we say I'm fine or I'm fine, well, and some other phrases. But this lesson is going to teach you some nice and marvelous phrases and sentences that you could use in your speaking, okay, to make your speaking much more, you know, wonderful. Okay, so 10 ways to say how you are. Number one, I'm fine. So, all these are responses, right? The answers to the question, how are you? So, if you just want to get the question that, if you want to know that how to ask someone how the person is, you may check my previous video, okay? And the link is in the comments, right? Okay, so number one, I'm fine, thanks. How about you? Okay, so I'm fine. Someone asks you, how are you? Say, I'm fine, thanks. How about you? So I'm also interested to know that how is everything going on in your life, right? So I'm fine, thanks, thanks. Don't say or don't use any plain tone in your voice, right? If you say, I'm fine, thanks. So it doesn't mean that it means that you are not so much interested. You are asked, and that's why you are giving an answer to that question. But it should be, much more, given in a enthusiastic way. You should have that much interest. Like, how are you? You should say, yeah, I'm fine, thanks. Thanks, right? How about you? How about you? How are you? Okay. Next one is pretty good. Pretty good. You can't say pretty good. That means your words are going opposite your body or your body language. Okay, so it shouldn't be done in that way. So your body language and facial expressions must match your words. So someone say, how's everything going on? Or how are you? You should say, pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. Next one is not bad. That means I'm neither in bad condition or nor good. Okay, neither good nor bad. I'm in between. Okay. But I think every situation we should be, grateful, because there are so many people, they want to lead our life, okay? But we want to lead other person's life. So it's a kind of, complex thing. We are just running, we are just chasing our dreams. We are just all are trying to be more happy, happier. But I think it's really not a good thing to practice. Okay, we should be contented, we should be happy, we should be grateful with whatever we have. Okay, so not bad, not bad. That means not very good, not very bad. Okay, not bad. Next one is great. How are you? Great. How is everything going on? Great. How is your study going on? Great. So repeat after me. Great. So I forgot to tell you to repeat after me. Okay, when I just used or talked about that phrases. Okay, so great. Number five, couldn't be better. Couldn't be better. Okay, so if someone say, how is everything going on? So you could say, couldn't be better. Okay, it looks like a negative sentence, but actually it means something good, right? It's a kind of positive meaning it conveys. So if someone say, how are you? And if you say, couldn't be better, that means I am, having the, what should I say? The best time, okay, I have ever had in my life. So it cannot be, or it can't be better. Okay, so it couldn't be better. I'm having great time. Okay. Next one is can't complain. That means, you are having a good time, maybe, or bad time, or maybe in between. Okay, but when someone asks you how are you, and if you say can't complain, that means you are happy, and at the same time you're not so much happy. Maybe there are some complications or some problems you are dealing with, but you don't want to complain because I'm a warrior. I have to survive. Okay, must survive by working hard, and if I fall down, I should be, on my feet again and fight against all the odds. Okay, so can't complain. Neither very good nor very bad, or maybe I have some problems, but I shouldn't. I don't like to complain. Okay. Next one is I've been busy. Maybe if I ask you that, how have you been? So in response to that question, you could say, I've been busy. I've been busy with so many, tasks or so many work. Okay, so I've been busy. Number 8, same as always. Same as always. That means there is nothing much, new things that I can mention. Okay, so we know each other for a long time, so I am having the same thing that I used to have in the past. So same as always, not much drama, not much new things. Okay, not many new things. Okay, next one is not so great. That means you are maybe having some problems or something. Maybe your study isn't going well, or your business isn't making much profit, or something like that. Okay, so there are so many reasons there. I mean, there is no end, I think, to our reasons. Okay, so not so great, not so great. Okay, and the last one is could be better. That means you are telling that I am having that situation and I'm having this much thing, and I'm having this much money. Okay, but could be better. That means I could have more money. I could have made more profit. I could have made better result in my exam. That means you are looking for more. Okay, I'm okay, no problem, but it could be better, right? So I was looking for better result, okay, in terms of relationship, your business or study or whatsoever. Okay, this is all about the responses. Well, one more thing, if someone asks you that, what's up, or what's new, okay, so what should you use as a response? If I ask you what's up or what's new, well, there is a thing you could use that is not much. So it is the typical answer, right, to the question, what's up or what's new? You could say, not much. Well, this is all about 10 ways to say how you actually are. I think you understood the lesson very well and you are going to use them in your speaking and sometimes writing. Okay. Well, there are so many lessons on the way only for you. If you guys like the video, just hit the thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to your YouTube channel, EngVlog. Hope to see you. Bye-bye. I'm fine, thanks. How about you? How about you? How about you? And how are you? Pretty good. Pretty good. Not bad.